Hi guys, I've got a Mini Cooper here. It's a 55 plate, it's 2005, and customer he was complaining about the misfiring. So when you put the diagnosing machine, it came up with the, I don't know if you can see it properly from here, but it's a misfiring cylinder 2. It's a P0302. So we changed all the spark plugs, and we had to change the rock cover gasket because there was loads of oil leak back to inside where the plug. So we did all that, and after we delete the code, after a few minutes the codes come back and same misfiring, and then we changed the wire leads with the coil. It's still same, it didn't change any. Then we changed the injector, number 2, and still same. We spent quite a lot of money, and after that I had to do a compressor test, and on cylinder 2 compressor test, it was like very low compared to the rest of the cylinders. So basically we changed all that for nothing, and it was a compressor test, low on pressure. So my advice to whoever have a Mini and you got a same issue, do not change anything till you do your compressor test, and then you can go change your spark plugs. I'm not saying always will be the compressor or the valve, sticking valve, or any other things, but the best and cheap and quickest way to do the compressor test is saving loads of money, because now we spend at least about £150 and plus 2 days to figure it out. So I thought, let me make one video. I'm sure there's a lot of people having the same issue and trying to look for the answer, and I think that's helpful for everyone. And yeah, stay tuned and thumbs up. All right, bye guys.